Hey squad, so I killed my only GoPro. Here's the inside, it's pretty cool I guess. So I dinked it on concrete earlier today and it wouldn't charge or turn on. So I now have taken it apart and there was a loose ribbon cable. That big one right there was disconnected, but it still doesn't work, so I don't really know what to do. Hey squad, so I fixed the GoPro. It works. I had to repair one of the battery wires from the circuit board on the battery going to the camera. I mean, right now it doesn't have an SD card in it, but it works. I've taped it up. Now I just need to get it back into the case. So I think I'm going to use some E6000 glue to try to waterproof it a little bit more and to keep it in the case.